Hi everyone, it's Janet Wakeland with Remarkably Created, and in this morning's video that showcased the different papers that are part of my paper share, I mentioned that those that would be reserving and purchasing that share would get the first chance to register for a very exclusive class, and it's exclusive because it's based on a stash that I happen to have of mini garden flag stands. And that class is the opportunity to receive one stand and then all of the supplies to create these 3 different flags. You will have one for the Halloween, one for the fall, and then one for the holiday Christmas season. And then just to hold them up and showcase them for you. So you'll receive the paper, the die cuts. You will notice that there's no greetings on them. As a demonstrator, I cannot send you anything that is stamped. So if you want to add anything, you're always able to add things like that. But you'll receive all of the die cuts, all of the papers. I will have a link to a Facebook group that will have the how-to videos in it for you to assemble. There's no PDF. It'll all be just following along and watching, because the cuts are all pretty similar for this. But you'll have all of the die cuts, ribbons. You'll have the letters cut for you, because again, that's not a stamped image. You'll have some glow-in-the-dark ghosties and, again, things that are stamped for you. And one stand. So one stand and all the supplies for 3 flags. Again, details about these along with a picture will be in my newsletter later today. But I wanted to showcase them for you, tempt you a little bit. But again, those that are doing paper shares will be given the first chance. If there's any left after the deadline that I posted in my newsletter today for those doing paper shares, then I will offer up what is left to others on my newsletter list. But because my paper shares are going out a little later than usual, I wanted to do something for those that are willing to wait a little longer for those shares. So I wanted to give them a little extra perk, because I do appreciate them being willing to wait while I travel. So thank you guys so much, and watch for that newsletter here in a little bit.